To integrate the collection page widget, start by opening the app from your Shopify dashboard. Go to the Settings tab and click on it. Then, navigate to the Widget section and copy the widget embed code. Next, return to your Shopify dashboard. Head to your online store under Sales Channels, and click the Customize button for the theme you're using. Open the collection page layout. Make sure the Product Grid Quick Add option is set to Standard. Now, add the Easy Subscription App widget to the page and click Save to apply the changes. After that, click the Back button and open the code editor for the same theme. In the editor, locate and open the cardproduct.liquid file. Find the Quick Add section in the code, and paste the copied widget code just below it. Click Save to update the file. To preview the changes, click on Preview Store, and review the collection page to see your widget on Live Store.